Hello everyone, today I will show you how to dismantle this study table cum shelf. Watch till the end of this video to know all the steps to dismantle it. So if you call to somebody, so for this small task it is very difficult, no one will come, so it is better to learn and do it by yourself. You can see this is a L-shaped screw opener, so with this help you can open the screw, but while opening do not remove all the screw, just make it little loose, so like step by step we will remove, otherwise all the pieces of the wood will fall down. So patiently open and make it little loose all the screw, then slowly we will open it. You can see how easily it is opening, and if it is like more than 5 years or 10 years, sometimes it will get rusted, then you can put little oil in it, and after 10 minutes it will open. So you can see this is little hard, so we will apply some oil, then after leaving for 5 minutes then we will do it. So you can see all the screws. So from the top we have removed some of the screw, and the bottom part we will remove it at the last. You can see it is really easy. This screw was little tight, so we opened it at the end only, because apart from this screw all the rest screw it opened in this the like screwdriver, but for that only we need little bigger size. So now we will remove the partition board and we will keep it aside, then we will go for the next step. So this joint, you can see just a joint in the wood only, there is no screw here, so do it slowly, gently, patiently, otherwise it will break. So hardly to dismantle it took around 15 to 20 minutes, that's it. So you can see the top part we already removed, so we will keep it down, then slowly all that window also we will remove. So this is the first time we are doing, so we are experimenting and we did it successfully. Now the window we removed. Now we will remove the shelf. And don't forget to write the numbering, like which is the first shelf, which is the second, third, so when you will assemble again then it will be easy for you. It was a little joint with that wood only. Now we will remove this part. You can see how easily we are able to remove. So even if you will try, you can do it. Don't need to call anybody. Just we need little patience, otherwise it will be difficult. So we have to make sure how we have removed that part, so we can fix it back again when we will assemble this. So we are writing here the number, so that when we will assemble it won't be any problem. So even if you are buying from Flipkart or Amazon or anywhere, if for installation they are coming, it is well and good. If installation is not free, even you can also do it. So I will put another video where I will put how to install it. So even you can write the left right part, so that while fixing it will be easy. If you are new to our channel, go ahead and subscribe it, like this video, share it with your friends and family. If you have patience, you can do any work. Nowadays people are dependent on everything. It's difficult for them to find time, but still, like as a human being, we can do all the works. So it is always better to do our own work. How much we can able to do, we should do it.